Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to Viggle AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to make sure that you go to Viggle.ai, and once you're here you will be met with a screen similar to this. You can see with Viggle that you have a variety of options for using the platform. You can either download an app on iOS, on Google Play, you can install the APK on Android, you can try it on the web, or you can join the Discord. I'm going to go ahead and try it on the web. We're going to click that there, and then you can see here that it's going to give us the option to either sign in with Google or sign in with email. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google, and we're just going to click a couple buttons here, and that is going to bring us into Viggle AI. So you can see now that we can either upload a video or we can upload an image, and we can begin to using Viggle. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.